Starlink is a satellite constellation system that aims to deliver global internet coverage. This system is ideally suited for rural and geographically isolated areas where internet connectivity is unreliable or non-existent. A SpaceX initiative to create a global broadband network, Starlink uses a constellation of low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites to provide high-speed internet services. SpaceX, more formally known as Space Exploration Technologies Corp., is a privately held rocket and spacecraft company that Elon Musk founded in 2002. Starlink operates on a satellite internet service technology that has existed for decades. Instead of using cable technology, such as fiber optics to transmit internet data, a satellite system uses radio signals through the vacuum of space. Ground stations broadcast signals to satellites in orbits, which in turn relay the data back to the Starlink users on Earth. Each satellite in the Starlink constellation weighs 573 pounds and has a flat body. One SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket can fit up to 60 satellites. The goal of Starlink is to create a low-latency network in space that facilitates edge computing on Earth. The challenge of creating a global network in outer space isn't a small one, especially because low latency is an important demand. SpaceX has proposed a constellation of almost 42,000 tablet-sized satellites circling the globe in low orbit to meet this demand. The CubeSats miniature satellites commonly used in LEO create tight network coverage, and their low Earth orbit produces low latency. However, Starlink isn't the only contender in the space race and has a few competitors, including OneWeb, HughesNet, Viasat and Amazon. HughesNet has been providing signal coverage from 22,000 miles above the Earth since 1996, but Starlink follows a slightly different approach and presents the following improvements. Instead of using a couple of large satellites, Starlink uses thousands of small satellites. Starlink uses LEO satellites that circle the planet at only 300 miles above surface level. This shortened geostationary orbit improves internet speeds and reduces latency levels. The newest Starlink satellites have laser communication elements to transmit signals between satellites, reducing dependency on multiple ground stations. SpaceX aims to launch as many as 40,000 satellites in the near future, ensuring global and remote satellite coverage with reduced service outages. Starlink has the advantage of being part of SpaceX, which in addition to launching Starlink satellites, also conducts regular partner launches. Other satellite internet providers may not be able to schedule regular satellite launches due to the high cost factors involved. Starlink offers unlimited high-speed data through an array of small satellites that deliver up to 150 megabits per second, Mbps of internet speed. SpaceX plans to double this rate in the coming months. Thanks for watching Techaks, all about tech. Please like and subscribe for more tech-related videos.